Now that we've got our config set up, we're ready to deploy. The first thing we need to do is make sure that we have some tokens on the test network for the deployment. You can get those tokens from any number of faucets. If you're using the Coinbase wallet, there's actually one built in. So you can click on the wallet icon, and under the Settings tab, find Developer Settings, Testnet Faucets, and then we can click the BscScan network. One thing you will want to note is that you do need to have a little bit of real ETH in your wallet to request testnet. And once you do that, you just click this button, and the transaction will go through in a moment, and you will get your test ETH. Now that we have our testnet tokens, we're ready to deploy. And we'll do that with npx hardhat deploy, and then we'll select the network of BscScan. And if need be, this command will also recompile your contract for you, which is convenient. And then we'll give it a moment, and it should push our contract out to the blockchain. And there we go. It doesn't really give you a success message, but returning to the terminal can tell us that we are deployed now. We can also see, if we go into our file directory, we have a deployments folder with the BscScan test network, and we can see a convenient artifact here that has both the address of where our contract was deployed and the ABI for it, which is useful for when you're building your front end. So we can take that and we can go back and open up BscScan. And if we search for our contract address, we'll see that it is deployed.